History of Komodo dragons. The Komodo dragon is a species of lizard that is native to the Indonesian islands of Komodo, Rinca, Flores, Gili Motang, and Padar. Here is a brief history of Komodo dragons. Discovery and Western knowledge. The existence of Komodo dragons was known to the indigenous people of the Indonesian islands for centuries. However, the Western world only became aware of their existence in the early 20th century. The first recorded scientific description of the Komodo dragon was made by Lieutenant van Stein van Hensbroek, a Dutch colonial official, in 1910. Scientific recognition and study. In 1926, W. Douglas Burden, an American adventurer and naturalist, led an expedition to Komodo Island to capture and study Komodo dragons. The expedition resulted in the capture of several specimens, which were subsequently exhibited in the Bronx Zoo in New York. The scientific community became increasingly interested in studying these large lizards, and subsequent expeditions were conducted to learn more about their behavior, biology, and ecology. Conservation status. Komodo dragons were recognized as a vulnerable species, and conservation efforts began to protect their populations and habitats. Komodo National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, was established in 1980 to protect the Komodo dragon and its habitat. The park includes several islands where the dragons are found. Evolutionary history. Studies on the evolutionary history of Komodo dragons have indicated that they diverged from a common ancestor with monitor lizards around 4 million years ago. The large size of Komodo dragons is thought to be a result of island gigantism, a phenomenon where certain species evolve to be larger in isolated island environments. Tourism and conservation challenges. The increasing popularity of Komodo dragons as a tourist attraction has led to concerns about the impact of human activities on their natural habitats. Conservation efforts continue to address the challenges posed by habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Current status. Komodo dragons remain a symbol of the unique biodiversity of the Indonesian islands. Efforts are ongoing to monitor and conserve their populations. In recent years, there have